Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. I'm just doing a little trip out down towards Rayong. I've come along the Highway 36 from Pattaya. You go Highway 7 to Bangkok, come off the Highway 36 towards Rayong. I'm driving along. I've done about 55 kilometres, 54 kilometres, and just on the right, here, this is Highway 36. There's a sign here. They're just laying on the side of the road. I love this stuff. This is the third one I've found. And there's something but I think special here. I don't know what you would think of it, but I've only ever seen one on MASH. Do you remember MASH, the comedy Korean War? What was it? A field hospital. And this is army surplus. It's all a lot of old stuff, but this is what I want to show you. Here we go. I have only seen these ever in MASH, running the soldiers wounded in and out of the field hospital. This is all in one piece. I didn't quite realise how basic these were. It's a Bell 47. I'm not sure if they used them in Vietnam, I don't know. But I only ever saw them in the MASH series from the Korean War. But she's sitting here, proud as punch. Inside it's army surplus, some original stuff, newer stuff. It's very mixed. And I wouldn't know what I was looking at. I really wouldn't. But if you're into this sort of stuff, or just would love to get a look at this little beauty, then Highway 36 towards Rayong. I clocked it from on the trip meter from Pattaya second road. I'm on 53.9 kilometres. So now that's the planes, the old stuff, bit of military gear. We're going to follow down further towards Rayong, and I'm going to show you some old cars, classics. There's a car there I've never seen. It's a Fiat. Never seen one like it. So we'll carry on down. What you find travelling around, just driving about, I find it very interesting out here. People say, what'd you do? Didn't you get bored? It's impossible to get bored in Thailand, it really is. So let's go further down towards Rayong and have a look at some old cars. The Bell 47, the old Korean War thing, helicopter. He's just given me a price for 1 million baht. That was a starting price. I dare say there's some manoeuvrability on that. I haven't got a clue. Could be worth 30 million. I don't know. But I'd love to know its history. That's one thing. What it flew in, what it did, what its job was. Amazing. Let's go and see these cars. Okay, back in the room. We're down with the cars. It's not many cars, but there's one I was really interested in because I ain't got a clue what year or what model. It's a Fiat, so why should I care? But let's have a look at these old wrecks. Sorry, classic cars. My mistake. As I said, we're on the Highway 36 towards Rayong. And just on the left, classic cars for sale. This Volkswagen Beetle is a 1303 and looks pretty much immaculate. Even inside is very, very clean. Nice example of a Volkswagen Beetle 1303. I would have thought mid-70s they came out. I would have thought, I'm only thinking here. But worth quite a bit of money. They did have and always have had quite a big following for the Beetles. But this one here, for some unknown reason, so quirky. That's what we'll call it. We'll call it quirky. It's a Fiat. I have no idea what model. I was looking it up. It looked like an 1100E. But as I say again, I have no idea. Just this is a 2-door. What I saw were 4 doors. Interior. Oops. No interior. It's a fixer-upper, but mainly, obviously, inside. Plus whatever else is under that paintwork. That's like the Citroen 2CV roof with an hole in it. But seems quite solid. And could be, who knows, could be worth a punt. Bodily looks very good. Interior new roof. She could be a little gem. For someone that knows what a gem is. They like the Beetles. I think the Beetles, for me, classic cars, you couldn't go wrong. Everything else is a punt. So, but it's always nice to come across this stuff and come in and have a look around and check it out. You're not buying, you're just being nosy, but it's nice to be nosy. Sodom. Let's go and find an old train. So if you had a Porsche Cayenne, which are a hell of a lot of money out here, and you want to park it in a bit of shade, keep it cool, it's hot, what would you use? What would you buy to keep it in the shade? Maybe this. Unbelievable. Old C46. Nice new Porsche Cayenne. Well, we've had planes and automobiles, so we might as well have trains as well. Why not? This is at Siam Motors Botanical Gardens on the Siam Country Club near the golf course. I have shown this before a long while ago, but what I will say, there's another plane. So much stuff lying on the sides of the roads. Gardeners, it's beautiful out here. It really is a beautiful place. The entrance just down there on the right into the golf course. And the old steam engine. They keep it immaculate here. So that's where we'll leave it. Planes, trains and automobiles. Not necessarily in that order. People tell me, what do you do, Kev? Do you ever get bored? Nah. Just jump in a car, go to a spin, go to a ride, go anywhere. You will come across so much stuff just getting in the car and driving out. And everyone has a GPS on their phone. You can't get lost. So if you're living here, buy a car. If you're here on holiday and you're bored, rent a car. They're not expensive. Bring an international driver's license and just explore. Explore, explore, explore. Don't sit in bars, sit on beaches saying I'm bored. Get out there and explore. Anyway, unbelievable. Motorbike. Anyway, that's it for this one. Hope you've enjoyed it. Doubt it, don't care. If you have liked it, give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. If you've hated it, why not? Give it a thumbs up, like and a share. Subscribe if you want to, you don't have to, but it would be nice. And we'll see you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.